And live mga ka-Asenso, diri sa Asenso Covered Court, it's our first Mayor Samiko Asenso Barangay Cup. Welcome sa atong first game karong hapuna sa atong Urban Division Games. It's between Barangay Bulatok and Barangay Gatas. Maayong hapon kaninyong tanan mga ka-Asenso. It's your commentator Gab. At magandang gabi sa hapon pala, no? Magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan mula Luzon, Visayas hanggang sa Mindanao and all over the world. Good afternoon. Thank you for watching our live stream coverage diri sa atong Asenso Barangay Cup via Asenso Sports Channel. And magandang hapon sa lahat. Big shout out also, no, sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan. Shout outs kay Ati Banban, Vanessa Baldo. Yun, of Cagayan de Oro City. Mara. And no good for that shot. Long pass para kay Tibudan. Si Tibudan ang nagpakaba sa Barangay Tawagan Sur last game, no? Because of Tibudan and Flores performance, kuyaw-kuyawan ang Tawagan Sur. Oy, bigro nilagba. Kuan, oy, Renji Kimson. Shout out, sir. Yan. And Mara finally nailing the first blood for Barangay Bulatok. Big shout out sa ato ang mga live viewers via Asenso Sports Channel o diri sa ako ang Facebook, no? Shout out ninyo diha. Isa man ning lantaw karon, isa man ning viewers ato sa Facebook. And Mara in and out for that jumper. Gets his own rebound. Ayo pa rin. Gets another rebound. And Barrera up and under. It's good. Now Abarquez to Tibudan. Nakalusot. Behind the back pass. And no good ayun. Lumipad si number 17. Ayan. Yuhu! Basket and a foul for Maghanoy of Barangay Bulatok. Shout out sa mga naglantaw sa akong Facebook mo, no, live. Shout out ninyo diha. And next day, no, it's Barangay Tuburan and Barangay Lenienza later, followed by Barangay Balangasan versus Barangay Tiguma for our last game tonight. Yun, shout out Brian Kim Villasencio all the way from Cebu City. Tan now to Tibudan. Hesitation, crossover. Ayun, may push na tinawag against Maghanoy. Oy, shout out Coach Laput of Barangay Tigoma. Tigoma City, dula man ninyo niya last game versus Barangay Balangasan. Tan, Tibudan. Wow, nakalusot. Outside to Tan for 3 and short. Tibudan, nice fake. And still shot won't go. Long pass para kay Mara. Short ang layup. Passing it. Tulas Prilia and it's good. Tibudan. Another. Uy, shout out kay Presben. Sabdula po, shout out kay Sabdula. The ankle breaker king of Asenso Barangay Cup. And also to Saysay. Nga nag-inusara sa live control kaluoy. Las Prilia. To Maghanoy, to Mara, mid-range. Another miss for Mara. Second chance, and it's good this time. Shoutout kay Presben of UBL. And kay Sabdula. And blocked by Las Prilia. Kinsa man eh. Over the head pass, Barrera to Mara. 4 straight points for Mara. 12-0 run for Barangay Bulatok. What a play for Barangay Bulatok. Oy, John Torres. Shout out there kay John Torres. Yalan to pod live. Time out pa sila. Time out. Isa time out. Barangay Gatas. Yo. And these are my team. And back to our ball game from that timeout. That timeout, mga ka-Asenso, is brought to us by Senate Councilor Honorable Sam Tyra Co. Ayun, no? Maramara. Hesitation now to number 19, corner 3, short. Sama ni? Lagi. Okay, uy, shout out kay Ryan Antenero. Kung gusto niyo, kanimang naglantaw sa akong Facebook ha, kung gusto niyo maglantaw sa Dula, lantaw mo sa Asenso Sports Channel. Okay, live stream dito sa Asenso. Uy, what's up my man, Idol Manny Lopez? What's up? Santo ninyo, pagkagwapo. Ay, siyempre, shout out Mark din, Bungabong, ahamang ka Bungabong. Flores, fade away. Nothing but the net for Flores. Shout out sa akong langga. Grabe po. Kay Manuel, sa man Timeras? Lopez nailing from downtown for Lopez na noon. Makula day, Makula. Lopez magulok. Sorry, take two. Makula nailing from downtown. Shout out sa akong langga, no, from Manggubat Michelle. Napakapugi magsabot. Ay, siyempre, idol. What's up, my man? Follow ninyo, no? Si Manny Lopez. What's up, my man of Santonians? Going ko, sir. Pagdalag makaon, umuanhi ka. Tibudan to Flores for 3. And no good. Lerias. Nice fake. And scoring from the baseline. Sorry. Sorry, Michelle. Barrera for 3. Missing it this time. Rebounded now by number 15 of Barangay Gatas. 1 against 4. Gisadjo. Saan Gisado? Gisadjo lagi. Gisado, nice fake. And off the glass for Flores. Sorry kay pagtalik paglingi mo guna ako dito kaya ang nakita dito kay sa to. Lahi naman, Lopez naman ni gawas good. And Maramara missing that 3-pointer. Lopez now with the rebound. Passing it to Gisadjo. Another 1 against 4. 1 against 5. Ball straight from his hands by Maramara. Las Prilla tries to cross and is fouled by Tibudan. Shout out kay Gemma Mandalunes. Sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan. Kuhan di asay. Moderator sa page. Wala. Pwede mo ma-moderate ang page. Oh. Delete ning John Damago kay murag kinsang maayuha pud modula. Ayun, shout out sa akong lalab number 12 Remedios. Kining John Damag mura pug maayo modula. Delete na kay sagbot ranis katilingban. Shout out Arian Ihara. All the way from asa gani ka Arian? Alimot ko asa ka nga country. Jam Sinner, shout out po daw. Shout out, mana. Gemma Mandalunes. Okay, sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan, no, sa tanang mga naglanto diha from my Facebook. You can see the live stream, no? Kini ako ang gipangyaw-yaw. You can see it, the live stream at Asenso Sports Channel. Kita ninyo ang dula. Sa ako Facebook, kay naong ran ako inyo makita. Bahala mo diya. Ako yung Facebook. Na moderate na say. Okay, thank you. Alright. Kent Guadalquiver. Shout out. Pa-shout up ko ni Kent Guadalquiver. Saudi di ay. Lugar na mga, pagadian di ay. Sa lugar na gwapo, binang pagadian. Tiburan, what a nice fake. Up and under, missing that layup. Flores sa gitna. And it's good. Grabe, Tibudan, no? Still good performance ang iyang ginapakita karon. Shout out Rowena Saromines. Good evening. Thank you for watching. Meyas now inside to Barrera. Rebounded by Lopez. Sa baa, uy, Alzaina Esparraguera. Siyempre, panahon na ako magsaba-saba karon. Ako na pa magsaba-saba. Diba? Duty mako karon si Manaha. Ako naman sa Urban Games for this week. Again, if you are watching in my Facebook page, no, you can watch the live stream of this game sa Ascenso Sports channel. Just follow and like Ascenso Sports channel. Yes, maayong hapon, Ma'am Rowena Saromines. Thank you very much sa pagtangkilik. Yahaya, uy. And Mejia scores for Barangay Bulatok, giving them 7-point lead. Uy, shout out kay Leia Franny. Shout out sa kumisis diha nga galantaw, Leia Franny. My favorite wife. Friday ang lula sa daw. My favorite wife. Ay, nag-iisa man di ay. My wife. Sorry, good. Shout out pud kang Doy-Doy. Mejias. To Alisaka. Power move. Nabitawan ang bola. 4 shot, no good. Flores with the rebound. Tibudan. Crossover. 1 against 2. What a play by Tibudan. Naaraman din si Tibudan sa Barangay Gatas. Nga naman nga. Yun, what a steal by Tibudan. Nakalusot na naman, outside pass to Gisadio. Sa gitna, balik kay Tibudan. Fakes, fires, and no good, but he's fouled. Ayan na, don't forget to like and share our official Facebook page, Ascenso Sports channel. See this game live via Ascenso Sports channel. Pag gamay-gamay lang ni si Tibudan. Mo lagi, pag gamay-gamay lang ni si Tibudan. Pero, ano ba? Liksi. Say. I-block ragod ni Say. Gusto yata i-shout out to si Damag eh. June Bontuyan, what's up? Big shout out. Paki na lang kung ano ni John Damag kay dangan sagbot ra nis katilingban. Papansin ba? Papansin. And no good. That's the end of our first quarter, mga ka-Ascenso. 14-19, 5-point lead for Barangay Bulatok. Ayun, big shout out kay John Damag. Kung sino ka mang magaling kang maglaro, masyado kang papansin. Ay, siyempre. Kung gusto ka, Master John, kung gusto ka makumpleto yung mga adlaw, nga makita ka gwapo pa namin. Mga ilason kayo magkuhan ba, mag-comment nila sa Facebook, mag-blog na papansin, di ba? Mura pagkinsa kayo, Alvin Ray Pabatang. And second quarter, mga ka-Ascenso, Bulatok up by 5. Big shout out kay Alvin Ray Pabatang. And from Jofil Himina. Ayun, shout out sa imong ig-agaw nga si Makula. Go Bulatok. Felix Peter Enerio gikan kang RG Makula. Yeah, shout out John Gabriel Badillo and Jonil Remedios. Yes, Joe Marie. Talo, baka talo sa pusta. Uy, shout out kay Karen Casasola all the way from Cavite. Yeah, pag talo sa pusta, wag asar talo. Nako naman. Kala mo naman kasi kung sino magaling maglaro, tas ganyan kung maka-trash talk. Yan sakit na mga taong ganyan. Kaya mag-ingat-ingat tayo kasi walang papel dito sa laro namin ang mga papansin na katulad nun. Banil missing that three-pointer. Corner 3 for Mejias. No good. Out of bounds. Ayun, ingat lang sa pagtataya, Joe Marie bigay kasi wala ang mga players kasi namin dito, wala silang wala silang kaalam-alam about sa kalakaran sa online gaming kung yung odds, plus minus o ano ba 'yun. Medyo wala silang alam masyado kaya they don't even care what happened to the game, no? Kung manalo, matalo ganun. As long as they are giving their best of playing their basketball, kaso lang minsan mamalasin lang talaga. May mga laro tayo na minsan malas, meron din naman minsan swerte. So ayun. Kaya ingat-ingat lang kayo diyan, ha. Shout out din ko sa akong langga nga si Manggubat Michelle, Manuel Timeras. Shout out kay Karen Kasasula naman, Karen Tangalin. Pag ganun, okay lang naman, no, kahit pagtawanan niyo yung mga kasi karapatan, hindi naman sa karapatan, pero okay lang naman na makapag-comment tayo ng minsan mga negative ganun, pero not to the point not to the point na magmura na kayo dito or magmura na dito or medyo offensive na talaga. And Tibudan against heavy traffic. Magmura tapos very profane and offensive languages. Bawal talaga 'yun. Pass break pass ngayon para kay Tibudan. Tibudan and it's blocked by Mejias. Good defensive play there by Mejias. Yes, welcome John. Uy, katukayo man ni John Gabriel Badillo. Shout out po ko ni Brad Aljun Barrera. Flores for 3. And no good. Rebounded by the Barrera. Fast break pass. Aminula to Mejias. Easy. Ayun, ayan, live. Number 4. And it's good for number 4 by Barangay Gatas. Isa ni number 4. Di kayo maklaro ng apelido. Ball is lost by Barrera. Out of bounds. Uy, shout out kay Auntie Gagay, Leia Ramirez, principal sa Tabak National High School. Big shout out sa mo diha, te. Ug sa tanang kuan nimo. Teachers nimo diha sa Tabak National High School. Tibudan for 3. And no good. Tapi ka ng bola sa taas. Maghanoy. Inagawan ng bola ang kanyang kasama. Maghanoy, ako na lang. Ay, short. Tapping it to Mejias, out of bounds. Bola mananatili sa Barangay Bulatok. Shout out kay Antigagay, Leia Ramirez. Mejias to Maghanoy. Bounce pass, balik sa ilalim, Barrera, and it's good. 4-point lead for Barangay Bulatok. Close game mga ka-Asenso, though low scoring siya, pero but it's a close game. Lopez, balik kay Gisadio, umatake. Tapi ka ng bola, rebounded by Las Prillas. Now to Mejias, nag-iisa, nag-i-easy layup. Timeout called by Barangay Gatas. Again, up next mga ka-Asenso, our game 2 for tonight is Barangay Tubaran versus Barangay Liniensa and Barangay Balagasan versus Barangay Tiguma. (21-27) Bulatok leading by 6 points. 27 Bulatok. Gisajo steps back, hesitated, ball stripped from his hands by Las Prillas, out of bounds. Shoutout kay AJ Alimagno o kay Renelin Solante Lambunaw all the way from Surigao, and AJ Alimagno from wala ako, parang Laguna ata yun. Nakalimutan ko. Shoutout kay AJ Alimagno and Renelin. Thank you sa stars, Renelin. Yeah, thank you sa stars, Renelin. Kung muhatag. And Barrera, traveling violation is called against Barrera. Oh yeah, shout out kay Lester Mark Delica from John Gabriel Badillo. Isay dula, Gatas o Bulatok, Barangay Gatas and Barangay Bulatok. Gisajo, nice fake. And out of bounds. Ayun, shout out kay Sir Renji Kimson. Ang Kevin Durant ng SBL. Renji Kimson. Time sarip. Hasim is blocked. Rebounded now by Las Prillas. Double team. Alisaka. Now to Mejias against Gisajo. Alisaka fearlessly attacking Gisajo. But then there's a foul called. Ayun, shout out kay Kyle Vincent Lage. Shout out po kay Bruno. Bruno up all the way from Tikwas. Ball strip. Now Mejias, basket and a foul for Mejias. Shout out kang Jisril Lanzaderas. Bruno of Barangay Tikwas. Dumalinaw. Sino number 4? Pakatang. Hindi ka na klaro na iyang apelido eh. Shout out po ko sa mga kasayaw-sayaw sa akong Loyo Live. Ano man to? Tara. 9-point lead for Barangay Bulatok. Gisajo, hesitation. Ooh. Good move by Gisajo. Is trapped under the basket. Lopez sa gitna, and then no good. Tapi ka na bola. Gisajo with a rebound. And he's fouled by Las Prillas. Duol okay. Di mo kung kaayo na ko ba? Klaro mo kung masay matabunan sa referee. Gisajo. He's trapped again sa ilalim. Lopez outside to number 23 for 3. and no good. Tapi ka ng bola. Gisadyo na naman. Traveling violation called against Gisadyo. Anha ko diha kaya ako'y tigsagit matag team. Ha, dali manggubat Michelle. Nalaogwan. Mr. Borger. Himos ba na nagse? Sige lang na nagsasayaw sa kulikod. Ayun, foul na ulit. Kitang-kita ang foul ni number 16. Gisadyo against number 15, cross court pass para kay 23. Bump, and Hasim is there to follow, cleaning up the mess of number 23. Las Prilla to number 15, balik kay Las Prilla, open for 3. No good. Maghanoy with the rebound against heavy traffic. Ayun, fouled. Foul. Kita mo na ito panagsa. Substitution. So Tibudan, Enriquez, and Flores will check in for Barangay Gatas. No, kuya ra ba kaya itong mga kameraman? Uy, shout out sa atong 77 live viewers via Ascenso Sports channel. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and share our official Facebook page, Ascenso Sports channel. And if you want to review the previous games, no, you can visit our official YouTube channel, Ascenso Sports channel official. Gisadyo now to Tibudan. Nice pass para kay Flores sa ilalim. Flores missing that layup. Fade away. Ayun, foul. Enriquez nailing his first throw. Second throw, no good. Agawa ng rebound, gets his own rebound. Passing it to Hasim. To Flores. Double clutch, no good. Maghanoy with the save. And they're running. Pass break pass, intercepted by Tibudan. Pass break para kay Flores. Ball stripped from his hands, out of bounds. Ball will remain in Barangay Gatas. O shout out ko sa akong idol nga si Gisadyo. Long time no see para mudaog sila. Ipatarong daw para mudaog sila from Edna Vivas. Yun, Vivas, shout out kay Juan. Sa Vivas diya sa asa ni Dapit. So ito sa ibabaw sa Tikwas, ay nalimot ko. Shout out po sa akong mga viewers live, no, from my Facebook. Big shout outs. (8:30) Yes, ako gyapon ugma kinsa man ni si Korean anyo nga siyo. Yeah, ako ra gyapon commentator ma actually for this week, no, ako'y commentator sa panggabi nga mga dula. Yeah. Kinsa man ni si Anyong Haseo. And Las Prillia missing the first throw. Shout out po diya kay J. Sam of Barangay Murica, the undefeated team of Rural Division. Grabe na mo'y dula, Sam. Sunod. Karong si Manaha? Karong si Manaha? Oh, yeah. Shout out kay Saysay. Ay, lumagpas. Tibudan stops. Passing ito kay Sadyo. Attacking. Firing from the mid-range of the glass. No good. Tapi ka ng bola. Rebounded by Saison. Ball stolen by Tibudan. Bagsak si Saison. Tibudan. Reverse layup is good. What a play by Tibudan. Against two defenders. Nakalusot sa gitna. Good hustle defense for Barangay Gatas. Tibudan, no look pass para kay Hasim. Nabitawan pa ang bola. Out of bounds by Hasim. Woo! Tibudan. Basketball IQ of Tibudan is awesome. Grabe. Bangga kung doon ka player good. Nakalusot. Reverse layup and it's good. Las Prillia open for three. Lag pass. Flores with the rebound. Pass break pass. Ball stolen by Maghanoy. Saison under the basket para kay Alisaka. Can't get it to go. Fade away by Saison. And that's the end of our first half, mga ka-Asenso. 26-36. Bulatok up by 10. And this first half, mga ka-Asenso, is brought to us by City Vice Mayor Attorney Boy Balaleng Fernandez. Shout out Ryan Nericua. Yun, Nikos Taog Dagadas, shout out. O kang Arnold Inso. Shout out po sa akong mama, Lynette Ibina. Ay, nabuang, wala man. And back to our ball game mga ka-Asenso. Third quarter between Barangay Gatas and Barangay Bulatok. Paspas kayo sa dula. Maramara missing again from downtown. Gisajo behind his back. Trap. But the reverse is good for Gisajo. Vince Rodriguez, shout out. Paspas kayo. Lagi, paspas kay sila mrula. Maghanoy, another miss. Burok with the rebound and is fouled. Anyong Asiyo, shout out ni mo Anyong Asiyo. Di na ako kuha ni mo ngalan. Yun sana ni mo pag Korean ni mo ngalan diha. Ivan De La Rama, shout out. Galantaw si Ivan. And is blocked by Flores. Barrera, second chance. Second block, but the second time is fouled. Binakog makaduhaan ba? Like, ma-mention lang ako, no? Like, dula, last week, no? It's, I think that was Kahayagan and Bumba. Si Baby Shark Rodriguez. Kaduha yun yan napalakan si Bayos ato yun. Maipon mo timing si Rodriguez atong panahon na. Si Baby Shark. Flores now with the rebound. Passing it to Tibudan. He's bumped by Burok. Tibudan. Ang ganda ng pasa. Ang pangit ng salo. Sayang. Gwapo na tagpasa si Tibudan. Pero saan tama. Mas gwapo man yung go. Maghanoy, firing from downtown. Bang! Maghanoy finally draining 3-4 Barangay Bulatok. Gisajo fakes, fires, and scores from the baseline. Asa ka si Mamords. Dula silang Mamords kaya ganina. Dili lang ako yung nag-cover. Si Mamords dula ka ganina. Inside feed. What a pass! By Maghanoy. Ang ganda ng no-look pass ni Maghanoy. Sayang. Barrera cannot complete that play. Big shout out sa to. 63,000 live viewers via Asenso Sports Channel. And Barrera nailing the second throw. Shout out TPG Events. Barrera. Maramara steps back, balik sa ilalim para kay Barrera. Heavy defense there for Barangay Gatas. I mean, tight defense, no, for Barangay Gatas in the paint. Ang problema lang yun kay ang Bulatok. Ang problema lang, ang Tagalog ta kay narabay mga nalantaw Tagalog di ay. Ang problema lang is Barangay Bulatok keeping the pass. Keeps passing inside. We're in heavy, very tight defense ang Barangay Gatas sa ilalim from the paint. So they have to stop doing that. Outside scoring is much better for them kasi masyadong tight ang defense ng Barangay Gatas. Although, lamang pa rin naman ang Barangay Bulatok, but then sayang din. No? Ray James Lobitanya, shout out. Shout out kay Reynold Enriquez. Ya kay Edna Vivas. They have to stop doing that, no? Keep passing inside. Earl Albor. Shout out ni Muriha Earl. Back to our ball game. Bulatok up by 11. Barrera against Lopez. Barrera sa ilalim, Maghanoy as the shot clock expires. Tibudan to Gisadjo. Against Burok, Gisadjo. Pass intercepted by Maghanoy. Stolen now, fast break pass para kay Burok. Easy layup para kay Burok. Buguyas teammate ni Burok ay katawan pa man. Tibudan lost that ball. Opsima. Big shoutout kay Jefferson Opsima. Flores from way downtown. Hasim tinapik ang bola sa kasama. Gisadjo is fouled from under the baseline. Big shoutout kay Jefferson Opsima. Naman to? Ano rin ay? Shoutout kay number 7 from Jam Senior. Tagalog lang boss, wag ng English. Walang easy ball sa gatas. Ryan Carrion. Yeah, parang hindi sila nakakakuha ng easy ball. Okay, nahahabol talaga sila usually, no? Sayang. Tsaka parang minamalas din sila sa shooting. But anyways, that's basketball. The ball is round. Burok intercepted by Tibudan. Barrera outside. Maghanoy is out of bounds. .15 lead for Barangay Bulatok. As Tibudan crossing to defender, floater and no good. Sayang, oh. Parang mali. 30-45. 30-45. Bulatok is 45. Flores to Tibudan. Nabakante. Balik kay Flores. Tumira ng 3. Mintes. And Hasim is there for the rebound. And the putback. Barrera. Ayun, palit si Tibudan. As Barrera turns around against Tibudan. Burok. 10-second shot clock now to Maghanoy and is fouled by Flores. Number 7. Naman yung number 7. Tara, Maramara. Okay. Jam Sinner. Go daw kay Maramara. Shoutout kay Saysay. O kay J-Sam. O sayang uyab. Sayang uyab, bro. Wala na ko ilayang istorya. Wala kay uyab, Say. Nana? Ay, sige, shoutout ito mong uyab, Say. Si Alan Castillo. Barrera for 3. Short. .32-45. Gisadjo is fouled. Bola mananatili sa Barangay Gatas. Uy, shout out kay Danrel Ibina all the way from Malanga City. Kumusta naman ka diha, Drel? Shout out din kay Sherry May Zuniga. From agani nyo ha. Sherry May asa gani nyo ha, She? Shout out ko sa akong duha ka anak diha nga si Chay Chay ug Pau Pau nga naa na diri nagtan-aw from Edna Vivas. Substitution for Barangay Bulatok. Las Prilla will check in. Say uyab nimo diha, Say. Shout out, Say. I-mention diri, Say. Again, shout out kay Danriel Ibina all the way from Malanga City. Hasim, one-hander off the glass, and it's good. Mejias. Maramara. Bakante. 4-3. Bang! Maramara! Dagger three-pointer on the wing side. Gisadio. Umatake. Fakes. Traveling violation. Klaro kayo. Traveling without passport violation. Traveling without license violation. Shout out Anwar Dagundol. Maramara. Isa pang tres. And no good this time. Las Prilla is there to get the rebound. Tibudan defending the ball. Crossover. Hesitation. Aba. Good ball. Wow! Tibudan steps back. Over the head pass para kay number 12. And no good. Ayun. Kita kayong foul. Tibudan. What a nice ball handling skills by Tibudan. Hesitation. Crossover. Sidestep. Over the head pass. No look pass pa yun. Behind the back pass pa yun. But sayang, no? Si number 12 can't connect from that pass. Para di po mo magsigig pulaan sa kulantaw sa kung naong. And Maghanoy missing his first throw. Entering to zone violation. Ay, si Remedios mo na ito, number 12, no? Tibudan naman ngayon. Bullet pass inside. Aba, Tibudan, good playmaker ni si Tibudan ba? Kita mo yung niya. Kita mo yung niya ang ilalom. Asa mo din si Tibudan atong panahon na nga sigig dula ang gatas. Oh, shout out mo na siya sa iyang masamong nga si Saiden Hasim. Tibudan, 1 against 3. Ball is lost. Fakes. Pinasa sa wala. He thought there's somebody in the corner. Mejias. Hesitation. Fakes. Fires and scores in the middle by Mejias. Palayo ng palayo ang kalamangan ng Barangay Bulatok. Flores, muntikan pang matravel. And Hasim is fouled. Macverjuros, yeah, mukhang kabado. I don't know. Big shout out, Ipay Mall. Ayun, no. And shout out also kay Coach Chow Vega watching my live. Shout out, Coach. Kabado, yeah, mukhang kabado siguro. I don't know, no? Di natin alam, but who knows? Hasim off the glass, and it's good for Hasim. Mejias, hesitation, nakalusot, up and under. What a fake by Mejias. Sayang at hindi kumonekta ang layup. Grabe, Mejias, tatlong player ang sumabay sa pagsupalpal. Nakalusot pa si Mejias. Oy, shout out kay Neil J. Roda. Neil, akong balo na kasa kong mga estudyante niya, Neil. Shout out kay Neil J. Rolda. All the way from Pagadian City. Lerias. Good feed para kay Hasim. Short ang tira. Tapi ka ng bola sa taas. Hasim. Offensive rebound and is fouled from the baseline. Hasim having a body advantage, no, against Maramara and kinsa man to, Barrera. Body advantage kay medyo dako-dako magyud si Hasim yun. Shout out ko Felix Barrera watching from San Pablo by Tanli Las Prilia. Uy, San Pablo. Shout out kay Mark Rosales. Shout out po sa akong papa Mario Ibina nga naglantaw live pa amping mo dias Batangas City. And bola mananatili sa Barangay Gatas as Las Prilia lost the ball from that pass. Yon, shout out Mario Ibina, the leader of the band. And to Mark Lester Rosales. Hasim is already fouled before he throws the ball and the body sa kanyang kalaban. 38-50 penalty situation here for both teams with 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Medyo malaki-laki pa ang hahabulin ng Barangay Gatas. Sama na eh. And Hasim nailing his second throw. Now to Mejias. Barrera for three. Bang! Barrera. Pangatlong three-pointer para sa Barangay Bulatok. Ano sa mga kamera? Overexposure lagi. Ayun. Nasa mo na? Overexposure man ang kamera. Ayun, penalty. 21.6 seconds left in the third quarter. 39-55, Bulatok leading pa rin. And shout out to TPG Events, yun no. TPG Events. Flores, second throw, no good. Gets his own rebound. Another jumper, and jumper is good for Flores. Shoutout ko sa among gwapang barangay secretary sa Barangay Gatas, Honorable Maribel Umpay. 20 with a rebound. Now to Flores. That's the end of our third quarter. 41-55. Gatas is on the lead. Marshall. DJ Jabs ang DJ ng bayan. And Turas, Say. Gansi wala galantaw. Ang referee. And si Raima, itong camera woman. Camera woman kay babae man. Muna sila akong team dire ha. Oy, zoom in. Say. And DJ Jabs is on the house. Raima, our camera woman. Dili na cameraman. Camera woman. Shot. Yun. Back in our ball game. Pagadian City, Ascenso Barangay Cup, Pagadian City. Israel. Yep, Pagadian sa Ascenso Covered Court, Israel. And back to our ball game mga ka-Ascenso, fourth quarter between Barangay Gatas and Barangay Bulatok. Uy, Shera 6. Big shout out kay Shera 6. Kisa man is Derek ni. Yeah, Derek Giliena. 41-55. Bulatok is still up. Flores passing it to Gisajo, and Gisajo scores against Saison. Mejias with the ball. Now to Barrera for 3. Bang! Second three-pointer for Barrera para sa Barangay Bulatok. Bulatok now has 4 3-pointers. Dalawa para kay Barrera. Unti-unti nang lumalayo ang Bulatok. Gisajo to Flores, gustong bumawi. Bang! Flores binawian agad ng 3 ang Barangay Bulatok. Ball stolen now by Tibudan. To Gisajo. Fakes. Another fake. Basket from the baseline by Gisajo. Mejias to Barrera. Isa pang 3. And is fouled from downtown. Will go to the line to take 3 free throws. Shout out kay Michael Trabor Angelo. Oy, shout out kay Robert Pilar all the way from Santo Niño, Cotabato. South Cotabato, Santo Niño, South Cotabato. No. Shout out to mga palangga earns na to dire. Aris Galaw, shout out kay Aris Galaw. Shout out kang Budoy diha sa Dumalinaw. Budoy, ingat palagi. Pakatang. Gisajo is trap. Buti na nakalusot. Firing, passing it, and fouled. Foul against Abanil. It's 48-60. Gisajo driving from the baseline to Flores. Off the glass, no good. Hasim with a putback, missing it. Abanil with the rebound. Fast break pass para kay Mejias. Fakes against in the face of Tibudan. Flores to Gisajo. Double team. Flores to Hasim. Forced shot, and it's good off the glass. Long pass para kay Mejias. No look. And it's blocked by Nampay Pakatang. Good timing by Pakatang. Point lead for Barangay Bulatok. Mejias to Barrera. Isa pang 3. And still no good. Hasim with the rebound. Now his double team. On a court namo diri sa Pagadian City. Gisadio, open for 3. Bang! As the shot clock expires for Gisadio, finally nailing a 3-pointer for Barangay Gatas. Alisaka, tutibudan, falls away, and no good. Agawan ng bola sa baba. Flores wins that scuffle. Out of bounds. Ball will remain in Barangay Gatas. Gisadio, corner 3. And no good. Uy, wash out JRP. Richard. Again, wash out kay JRP of Barangay Gatas. Uy, asa man ka JRP. Ganun wala makadidula diri. Shout out kay Ronald Derong. Akong classmate sa una sa high school. Shout out kay Ronald Mark Derong. Barrera missing the second throw. Buti na lang andyan ang kanyang kasama for the rebound. Meyas inside feed. Agawan ang bola sa baba. Jump ball. Tulor ako nakita. 11, 21 of 19. Sunod na, 5 ninyo, 5. Uy, Lani Herman, big shout out kay Lani Herman. Say, nanapoy kuan diri sayo, papansin say, palihog ko say. Giblock na nimo say. Papansin kayo oy. Papansin diri oh. Uy, shout out Maestro JC. Yes, Lani Herman. Shout out. Macverjuros. Parang gano'n na nga. Shout out kay Maestro JC. Shout out kay John Desierto, kay J-Boy. Nangita lagi ko, dili na ako makuha na imong putol-putol ang internet. Naputol. Pa Hinay mo kay Hinay mo kay
Sir, kita ko lang po, kita po. Card ko lang mo, sir. Dito lang. Dito lang, ma.
Wala, putol lang internet.
Eh, pagkita sila.
Wala, putol lang internet. Oh. Ay, Jujet Andrada. Bakit kay Jujet Andrada o kay John Desierto?
This one from Frederick Amor. Robert 12,
Team. Wala to.
Amane, and number 14 for number 19. Mahola, number 21. Mahola, number 11. Bob Conway. This volley of Frederick Amor. Big volleyball.
Journey mo, coach. Lara, coach.
12, 19, 21, 11.
Yes, coach. Oh, sakit na sa ulo. Apil, like?
In the game,
Apil, apil.
Sure mo kay sure.
11 lagi. Ang number 12 mo na sa korte, katora laging tulo ang nisulod. Katora laging tulo ang nisulod.
Sure mo diya sa inyong mga desisyon.
Relax lang kaya mong gikuan dire. Wala na gapataka, gisura na mo dire sir. Bilista na sir.
Assistant coach ka, di ba? Tingnan na ka, number 12, dili na siya. Ayaw yung makaanat ako.
Relax lang sir, relax lang. Dili amo ang gisure dire among lista sir, relax lang sir.
Dili man kay iya mo ingnon.
Tira man mo ingon niya kuan.
Pero okay mga bata, naning kamot biya. Nalista naman gulo.
Wala.
Dito mo na siya ba? Yeah, wait lang. Ato sa isolve na. Si number 12, ano na film ni si number 12?
Dire, nana siya sa korte daan.
Nasa
Oh,
korte.
naapil lang.
Wala labot sa disqualify. Wala, sinsi. Ano nang isa si
Pero nga, layo na mga talaga ng mga pare. Mabot nga, dag mga piso, ane? Nagturo ba tag...
Palya sa pagbiasing.
Dol, balik, adol, ano niya na, adol.
Ah, ano ba? Gwapo gito yung mga dito. Gwapo tayo mong anak dito. Anak pagar ang mga player ko. Ay, tera. Yes. Labaw mo. Labaw mo. Fourth quarter na. Labaw mo. Ubong na lang.
So, diet na nito nila. Sa papel na ko. Dito na sila. Drio. Oy, Migo, ikaw, Drio. I've resigned my job already. Oy! Katol po ang pads.
Sa pikas. Sa pikas. Tayo ni sulod sa pikas. Pila ka buhok sulod sa pikas. Wala ba rin sulod? Sakto? Saan pagkamoto?
Diyos ko, Lord.
And back to our ball game mga ka-Asenso with 5 minutes and 11 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. 57-62 as Gisajo nailing the free throws for Barangay Gatas. May konting ano lang. Barrera. Kinapos sa oras si Barrera. Paano naging 57-62? May free throw po na ginawa ang Barangay Gatas because of the double technical and also a foul. Tibudan and no good for the 3 points. Abanil. What a fake! Nice fake by Alisaka and short, but there's a foul. There was a technical foul na itinawag on both teams. Yun, baliktad live. There was a may double technical foul na itinawag on both teams because of such commotion. So, yun. Naka-award si Barangay Gatas ng 4 na free throw. And 3-pointer no good by Flores. Now to Gisajo. Steps back, 4 shot. No foul called. Clean block. Ayun, may foul. At niyakap ni Pakatang Silas Prilia. Say, abira ko gi-block na nini mo say. Abira ko gi-block na nini mo gi-delete rin mo komentar. Abanil. Outside to Las Prilia. Fades away, can't get it to go. Tibudan with the rebound. Ayun, kitang-kita ang offensive foul against Tibudan. Muraman Baki. Macver Juros. Shout out, Macver. Offensive foul called against Tibudan. And back to our ball game, mga ka-Asenso. It was a friendly conversation between two players. Actually, yes, Tibudan no, commits an offensive foul, but there was no commotion, no. Walang misunderstanding lang. Actually, they are friends. Lingo-lingo ay kanana to ila kanang inamigo nga kuan. Inamigo nga pagbadlong. Inamigo nga pagbadlong. Mejias up and under. Another foul called against Pakatang. Mejias napatawa na lang sa foul na yon. Pang-apat na personal foul ni Pakatang. Mejias missing his first throw. And Mejias nailing the second throw. Good hustle defense by Mejias. Muntikan pang may 8 seconds. Now to Flores, the runner, in and out. Barrera with the rebound. Foul is called. Bola sa Barangay Bulatok. Seven-point lead for Barangay Bulatok. And now Barrera is on the line to take free throws. And Barrera nailing his first one. Uy, shout out 135 live viewers. Barrera nailing the second one. 9-point lead for Barangay Bulatok. Lopez nakalusot. Bounce pass. And number 13 unable to make that shot. A foul called. Bola naman para sa Barangay Bulatok. As Pakatang committed his fifth foul. And is out of the game. Penalty situation for Barangay Gatas. Tanatas repire. Ay, si coach, pwede na? Pwede no? Technical rin itawag ato? Kasunod. Technical rin may gitawag. Technical rin man kaha. Sab. Macfer. Kisaman. Macfer Juros. Jolan, Dalisay, shout out. Puro foul. Yeah, puro foul. Sayang, no? Maganda sana pag may scoring ba? But anyways, wala tayong magawa dyan. Tibudan. Almost stolen by Maghanoy. Lamang pa rin ng siyam ang Barangay Bulatok. Jump ball. Arrow position says the ball will remain in Barangay Gatas. Ayun, may foul na itinawag kay number 10. Hey, Mejias, kana number 7. Si Lopez. Oo, si Lopez. Uy, di. Nine-point lead lang sa 57-66. 57. Ano man? Tie game. Tie game na hinoon. 57-67. And another foul, 59-67. Another foul call for Barangay Gatas. Ayun. Third personal foul para kay Lopez. Barrera, second throw. And it's good. Go, go, Barangay Bear Brand. Archie Eloriaga. Di ba na may purok nga Bear Brand, no? Sa Gatas, no? May purok Carnation. Ano sa pa to? Mejia saves the ball, passing it to the opponent. Lopez, bullet pass. Nasalo ni Gisajo. Hasim. And no good. Last 2 minutes mga ka-Asenso, 10-point lead. Gisajo, Hasim is there to save the ball. 8 na lang po ang kalamangan ng Barangay Bulatok. Wow! Barrera! Basket for Barrera! Bagsak si Gisajo for that crossover. Woo! And Barrera! What an ankle breaker there by Barrera! Bringing the opponent down on the floor. At may kasama pang exhibition layup. Tibudan for 3. No good. Las Prilla with a rebound. Now to Mejias. Mejias. No good. Lopez with a rebound. Ayun, may foul. Nasangit man, nasangit. Naapoy purok Nescafe. Oh, 61-71. Bulatok with a 10-point lead here. Maramara will check on the game as Maghanoy commits his 5th foul and is also fouled out from the game. No. Uy, Macbur. Nakahabol pa ng highlights si Barrera. And it was a good defense. Gisajo slow-mo for the layup. Foul is called. Eight-point lead for Bulatok. Ang gulo ni commentator. Sorry, good. Quintos, Jerome, sorry. Pogi lang, pogi. Ang gulo ni commentator. Minsan magkagulo-gulo na talaga ba? Yeah, 71. May konting glitch lang for ano sa live score. Sana all. Nahirapan na sa kalisod si commentator. Minsan nalilibog na ako. Nalilibog sa Bisaya ba? Bisaya ang libog ha? Hindi yung Tagalog. Iba kasi ang libog sa Tagalog at Bisaya eh. Nalilito ba sa Tagalog ba? Gisajo, one-hand free throw. Asan ang pogi? Second throw. And it's good. 71, say 71. Hasim stole the ball from that inbound. Mananatili sa Barangay Gatas ang bola. Good look by Hasim. Anticipating that pass. Paisa. Hasim missing that free throw. Seconds to play. Lopez with a rebound. Now to Gisajo behind the back. Step back to Tibudan for 3. And no good. That is foul from downtown. As he will go to the line to take 3 free throw. Kinsa di gipangita nimo Lani? Si commentator? Hindi ka. Tibudan. First throw is good. Shot outside and Hasim. Second throw is good. Oh, Lopez. Excited Lopez. Napaisa Lopez. Tibudan. And nailing 3 free throws. 4-point lead. And foul called against Tibudan. Tibudan commits his 5th foul and is fouled out for the game. Buang. Sa mukhang Macber. Wala. Isa. Saison on the line. Short. We still have 42.6 seconds left in the 4th quarter. No good. Tapi ka ng bola. Flores wins the rebound. Lopez to Gisajo. Against 2 defenders. Ball slipped from his hands. Out of bounds. Bola mananatili sa Barangay Gatas with 42.6 seconds remaining. Ay, 32.8 di ay, 32.8. Mr. Clyde Oracion, tama naman po ang score. Baka dinidescribe nyo po ang sarili nyo. Iyon. Tama po ang score, 67-71. Baka sarili nyo lang ho ang dinidescribe nyo, Mr. Clyde Oracion. Ayun. Nara po tayo mga commentator dire nga marag expert kay Manula ba? Anyways, 30.6. Lerias. Barrera defended heavily. Barrera against 2 defenders. Ayun, may foul against Lerias. Uy, 3 puntos lang. Yeah, 3 points. 68-71. Radyo. 68 ba? 68. Salam. Barrera missing the second throw. Maramara is there to save and gets the rebound. Now to Barrera. Taking their time. And another foul for Lerias. Smart play for Lerias. Fouling Barrera. Forcing him to the line. But we only have 11.2 seconds left. Ayun, no? Congratulations sa mga nanalo dyan. Congratulations sa mga nanalo sa sugal. Sa sugal. Ayun, may plus 18, plus 10, plus 18.5. Ayun. Swerte. Yeah, 68-71. Gisajo. Forced shot. And Barangay Bulatok wins the ball game. Congratulations to Barangay Bulatok, 68-71. Up next mga ka-Asenso, it's Barangay Tuburan versus Barangay Liniensa, followed by Barangay Balangasan and Barangay Tiguma. See you later.